Hey guys, long time no video. The very first step is to preheat your oven to 286 degrees. It has to be exactly that. The next step, of course, is to shove your brake lamps in there. Make sure it's faced upwards. Hey guys, quick summary. Take off the tail lights. There's 4 bolts holding it and the clip. Once it's removed, you should saran wrap it so it doesn't get damaged when you're doing this stuff. Then you take off the remaining back pieces of it, which is all this other junk. And there's 5 screws, just some clips, pull that off. Do your cutting, paint however you would like, and then glue it back together. That's about it.
Hi YouTube, today we're going to cut this.
We're going to use
scissors. We're going to use this heat knife, pennies, and paint. Okay, let's go.
I love the nighttime because it rains every day. I know you're not.
So I want to show you where exactly I cut because it sucked. Also, you should definitely get one of these because it smells like complete.
YouTube is ready.
Let's see, so right along that, it's pretty much the edges. Edge, 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 edge. Edge, edge, edge. So the worst part is actually over here. But yeah, you see, just follow along the edge. Then here is pretty difficult because it's so tight and you might hit one of these stuff and burn it off a little. But yeah, that's where the cut is.
Ta-da!
What's good? You on back it up?
I love the nighttime. They say there's no comfort in the dark. I say it's how we find out who we are. So don't listen to the words they say. Hey,
This one, twist it and pull out.
chance to come and ride with me.
Okay, yeah, pull out. Okay, pull up here. Pull, pull. Good. This one. Pull up. Good. This one, pull. Okay, it's off, pull. This one. This one. Turn. All the way. No, all the way. Yeah, and pull. Good. So these ones are 1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
Act happy. So the inside looks interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing comes right off. Cool. Now, you have pennies. I need you to put the pennies in these little holes. Okay.
Where's the pennies? Oh.
And this part you can remove. There's little tabs right here in the back. Or you tape it off and leave it red. It's however you want to do it. So here's a prep work for tape off. Tape that off instead of removing it. And then this one, tape off the corners. But you don't really need to do that. And then the pennies where these little holes are. We're gonna spray it with this baby. Okay, Vincent, spray paint. So push the button. And you see. So you have to push it. Yeah. Spray paint here first. Okay, done. Now, how to do here. Push it. Back up, back up. Push in. Back up. See? Again. Vincent, do you want to paint this one too? You gonna do it? Okay. Too close. No, we don't need to go back outside. Ta-da! So here's the direct comparison. I like the darkerness of that because it's so much red. So that's one option you can do. Another option I wanted to try out is black out everything and then the corners right here, leave that one chrome. And that might be very difficult, but I'm going to try and do that. So I kind of highly doubt this is going to work. I cut a piece of tape, fold it in half, and then I roll it like a joint. And then I place it on the thing for the edges, and then squish it down. We'll see how it works. So actually taping off looks pretty decent. See how it goes. Hey boy, it's like Christmas. Can you take the wrapping paper off? This one? This one here? All of it. Take it all off.
Wow.
Oops, what a fail. Okay, stop, let go. Stop. Oh, the hell.
Clean back, Daddy.
It kind of helped. Cleaned up a little bit, but it's still noticeable.
Hey, Daddy.
Legit, acetone did not work. Messed it up more. But it's not that bad, half bad. It was pretty good. So the fire idea kind of worked, but didn't really work well. I actually have this cock. It's it's for automotive windshield, and I'm just gonna cock the hell out of it. And that's pretty much it. And that I'm gonna throw it back in the car, and it's gonna probably leak. I highly do not recommend this mod. There's no way going back after you cut it up. It's nearly impossible. And it's also just for looks, man. Seriously? There's so much effort. Alright, bye. So, quick suggestion. The tape off thing was actually a terrible idea. The acetone was a terrible idea. It actually ate through the chrome, so it messed that shit up. Another thing is to be careful of your blade length, so you actually don't cut inside and damage the inside of the glass when you're cutting.
Think we're going to see you tomorrow.
Oh, it's your boy's Flex Tape. Let's do it, man. Yes, Flex Tape this